Hey guys, welcome to this segment where we're going to discuss how long your panels should actually be. I get so many questions asking the same question over and over again, and actually the only real answer is that it should be long enough to create a puddle in your design. Just that. Reason is because it honestly depends on the height of your backdrop. If your backdrop is, let's just say, 10 feet high, your panels should be at least 12 feet long. If your backdrop is only maybe 8 feet high, but let's just say you desire to style more premium, elaborate draping in the near future, again, your drapes should be at least 12 feet high. So the whole point is that you do not want to invest in shorter drapes, because guess what? When it's time for you to finally level up, you're going to be stuck because your inventory is going to limit you. So you want to set yourself up for success in the very beginning. That way you eliminate all those costly mistakes that other designers, such as myself, did. So now that we have completed talking about the length of your drapes, let's move on to the next video where I discuss other things such as puddling, how to hide those long drapes, and so much more. See you guys over there.